So hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ambys vlog and today I am back with another video for you guys. So today's video will be a video combination of an unboxing video and a DIY repair video. So let's see what the video is all about. So guys, welcome back. From the title you can guess that it's a DIY repair video. So here it is, my SJ4000, which you guys saw a couple of videos back where I replaced the lens on it, and today's video will be a screen replacement video for SJ4000, and it will be same I guess for all the more variants of SJCAM. So let's see. So this is the package which I have ordered from AliExpress, and it's a screen. It's a original screen for SJCAM. So from the package you can say there's a branding of SJCAM over it, and you can order it from SJCAM website I guess, but I have ordered it from AliExpress. So this is my SJ4000, which you guys saw in my video where I replaced the lens on it. So let's see how to replace the screen on this SJ4000. So this is the SJ4000. This is the lens which I replaced in that video, and I messed up my screen when I was installing this 3.5mm headphone jack or audio jack. Let's take a look at the screen or the replacement screen. This is the package, and here it is, brand new screen for SJ4000. There's manufacturing date on it, and there's a product code I guess, or a serial code for the same, and there is a protective layer over the screen so that it won't get scratched. So let's keep it aside. Let's take apart the back door to replace the screen. First of all, let me show you what's the exact problem. Let's turn it on. So you guys saw there was a startup sound, but the display didn't turn up. So that's the problem. I damaged my display. So let's turn it off now. It's turned off. So before you do any kind of repairing work or modification, anything on the camera, first of all take out your batteries so that there is no electrical contact between any circuits. So in order to replace the screen, you guys need a sharp object to get into this edge of the body and just take up the screen. So you guys can use this cutter or anything. Just get into this edge, and try to lift the screen up, and here it is. For you guys it will be a bit tough as there is a glue or a sticky tape behind it. So don't just attach your display, but just try to lift it up very gently. So this is the back door or the screen glass, and here's the screen. So in order to remove the screen out, again take a cutter, just get into this small gap and just lift it up, and the screen gets popped up. So this is the connection for the screen. So you have to lift this small tab here to release the screen from the bracket. So be gentle as there are small electronic components, and it's open now as you can see, and the screen gets out of the way. So this was the original screen on my camera. It has that serial code and this connector. So let's keep it aside now. So guys, this is the back side of your SJCAM. In my case it's SJ4000. So this is the place where the screen gets locked. And now let's take out our new screen. So this is the new screen. So this is the front side of your screen, and these are the connector. You just have to pop it in place of connector in this way. So this is how it will get connected. Be gentle guys, there are small delicate parts in there. It will get in the place in this way, and you have to just lock it down, and it's locked. So the screen is connected, and gently fold it down. So the screen is in the place, as you can see. Now let's just pop in the battery to check whether the screen is working or it's connected properly. It's connected. And the moment of truth, let's just start it up and see whether it is working. 1 2 3. Yay, the screen is successfully connected and it's working, as you can see. So this is how the screen gets connected to your camera. And now let's just remove this protective sheet from this screen so that we will get the clear thing. And don't worry about the black bars going on. It's just the LED light which I am using as a setup. It's like getting captured in this thing. So now let's just pop up the screen door back on the camera. Before putting back the screen glass, make sure the back side of the glass is clean and there are no dust particle over it. So now it's clean, and now let's just pop it back over the screen. So this is how it will get popped back, and you will hear a small click type of sound which makes sure that the screen is in the place, or the glass is in the place. So guys, that was it. That was the video for screen replacement on SJCAM, and in my case it was SJ4000. So I hope you guys got to know how to replace the damaged screen from your camera. So thanks for watching. Till then, goodbye and take care. This is Ambys Vlog signing off.